Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a basic bot using the Botpress. First, you need to log into your account on their website. And here, simply click on create bot. Now, wait for it to load up. Now, a chatbot has been created. Click on open in Studio. Wait for it to load up again. Here you have your templates. If you want to make a ChatGPT clone, click on this, a telco customer service, learn Botpress, Salesforce example, or phone sales agent. Let's start from scratch and click on use template. Here are the examples. Simply click on this. Go to workflows here on left side. And as you can see here, you can make your chatbot here. Simply delete this node and let's create a new node. To create, simply right click and click on standard node. Here, let's name this as greetings. Greetings. Now let's add card. Let's add a text. Message sends. Hi, I am name of your chatbot. Now click on add card again. Scroll down and click on expression. Just put it on always. Then let's create another node. Standard node. Now let's name this a capture information. Add cart. Click on number. Let's change what is asked. Items will you to buy. Now let's add card again. Look for expression again. Let's make two expression. Sir, input number between 1 to 5. Hit enter and then the other one. User input 6 to 10. Now let's connect this node. There you go. Then let's add two more standard node. And let's add text. Here, add text also. Input what would the bot say if they choose between 1 to 5 or they choose between 6 to 10. Simply connect this. For example, here let's put that that's great. Here let's put that's wonderful. Connect this to the end. Now let's put a conversation end. Simply add card here. Text. Thank you for purchasing. Let's add expression here and put it to always. Let's connect to the end. And that's it. Let's try our bot. I forgot this. Start as a new user. Let's say 3. Send it. And that's basically it.